Look at you, girl. Looking like she looking. Ooh, look at that. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm super excited about this because it just randomly came across my mind today when I got my package in the mail. I was like, why not do an unboxing on my YouTube channel? A lot of you guys know already that I'm a Mary Kay beauty consultant, but I kind of never went in depth about it on my channel before, so I was like, so I got a box. I already opened it. Gotta get that done now. So let's get started. So I kind of already opened it a little bit, but hold on. I want to show y'all what it looks like when I first opened it. You could tell that, you know, everything is kind of organized a certain way. And I love these little peanuts they put in here, y'all. Look at you, girl. Looking like she looking. I love my camera. So, I was telling my people on Instagram, people who follow me on Instagram, I put on my story, it's so lit. Like, I'm really doing this unboxing because I ordered stuff like for Christmas time or whatever. So anytime you order something like Christmassy or around Christmas time, Mary Kay always give us like extra stuff to give our customers for free. So anytime you order a Mint Bliss, is for your feet and legs, you get socks for free. So I ordered 2 of these. I'm gonna be ordering more because one, I want the socks for myself and the lotion, of course, but when people order these, I need to have socks. This is so cute to me. So next, I'm gonna go over the basic stuff first. We'll do the last stuff. Oh my god, she ordered the wrong. Okay, anyways, one thing that my customers order like crazy are charcoal masks. And this was just a small order, so that's why I didn't get too much of stuff. This was just a small order I did. But I got 6 charcoal masks because these go like crazy. One of them I already got to ship out. I talk to y'all about the charcoal masks all the time. I'm gonna put Jerica's link in the description box below. We did a whole facial on her. We used the charcoal mask. We used the botanical effects that I talked to you guys about a lot. But I gotta keep these on deck. So next, for my makeup people, my friend, she orders the translucent powder for me all the time. And it's so crazy because right after I ordered this, she ordered 2. And I was like, I need to start ordering a few more because she needs them a lot. And then I just had somebody new who was interested in them. I was like, okay, I'm gonna order 2. And why did she text me and say I need 2 translucent powders? So I'm so glad I have those, and I have to go ship those out today as well. It's the same thing. Y'all look at Jordan. Hey girl. Look at her. She's so cute. You straighten your hair. That was Jordan. Some mineral powder. I use liquid foundation, but I have somebody who ordered some I don't know if y'all can hear that. But this is what Mary Kay's mineral powder looks like. Mineral powder foundation. This is the color Bronze 2. Y'all, I sell skincare a lot. As y'all see in my videos, I don't really post. Like right now, I don't have no makeup. I don't really post with makeup on. I'm like so crazy about skincare. I wear makeup like once every 3 months. CC cream. This is the one I use, y'all. Ouch. Mary Kay CC cream. Now when I do my makeup, this is what I use for my foundation. CC cream. I love this stuff. Okay, next, this is one of our new products. It's a lotion, I believe. Looks how cute this is. This is like for the holiday time. Massage into hands in between fingers. I don't even know how you open this. Ooh, 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 look at that. It opens sideways, y'all. This is so cute. There's 2 products in here. One goes on your hand, one goes on your lips. Oh my God, look at this. I'm going to get my nails done today. Look at this. I want to smell it. Oh yes. I might keep this one for myself. I don't know. We'll see. But look how cute this is. Okay, Mary Kay, I see y'all. I see y'all. I got a few of those. I got 3 of these. And then I have one that's a different flavor, or not flavor, a different scent. It's called Citrus Sorbet. Citrus Sorbet. I like the color of this one too, y'all. Oh, this is so cute. Stuff like this. It's so cute to me. Oh, that's the back. So it comes with a hand cream and a lip balm. What? Mary Kay done showed out. Now y'all, let's get into these lip glosses. I got some mask applicators. Like I said, my customers are crazy about the charcoal mask. When y'all order the charcoal mask, you need to have a mask applicator too. I used to do the whole hand thing, and they came out with these. I was happy as crap. So, so what I ordered for myself is some lip liners, because I'm about to get into the whole lip gloss and lip liner thing. Kind of stole this idea from D. Simone. These are new. They just came out with a whole new line of Mary Kay lip gloss. I'll put a picture. Oh, look at this.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Mary Kay. Trying to get the name on there for y'all. Okay. Look at this. Look at this color. This one is chocolate nude and this one is unique mauve. But I'll show y'all all of them. These are so pretty, bruh. This how it looks. This is how it looks. And this is the inside. Oh, y'all, look at those. Look at that. Come on now. Look at that. That's so pretty. This is actually for one of my customers. She bought it for her sister. How ours look. I love it. I absolutely love it. Has like a silk smooth to it. I got 3 of these. Who wants some, y'all? These things go out so fast. Last year I didn't even get to order none from my customers because they were sold out. I want to open one of them. There are a whole bunch of masks. It's a mask pot gift set. You get 4 different ones. And you get the directions for all 4 of them on the back. So let's see one. Because again, I might keep one for myself. Y'all know how I am about my skin. Oh, this is so cute. Look, This is so cute. So it's 4 little masks. They're sitting in there. This is so cute. It's called Miss Pore Effect. Like perfect. Miss Perfect. Come on. Miss Pore Effect. Energy Queen. Lady. What does that say? Lady Serenity. And Dewy Gown. Look on the side. You open it up on the side and it tells you the ingredients and everything for each one. How freaking cool is that? And you can see them. Okay. So this is one of our botanical effects. Comes with the cleanser. It says mask and hydrate. I'm guessing this is the moisturizer. These are all for people with dry and sensitive skin. There it is. So if anybody has dry skin, if you have any type of texture skin, normal, dry, oily, combination, sensitive, I'm here to help you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you're interested in any of these products or would like to learn anything about them, just hit the link below or hit me up on Instagram or anywhere and I can talk to you guys about them. We can go over them. If you have any type of skincare problems that you need to get corrected or you want to try out any of our makeup products, just let me know. And also, if anybody out there is looking for an extra way, another way to earn extra income, or if you love skincare and you love makeup and you want to get it for 50% off all the time, hit me up. Hit me up and I got you. But yes, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all know I'm gonna talk about these 200 subscribers until we get there, because we almost there. So let's get it. This camera made me look extra good. Anyways, I'm out, you guys.